Alright, morning everybody. We got race Guyana here, right? I kindly ask you if you got a kit board or a brown board, please keep a little far from me.
CHOWMEIN man. Horses Antonio. What's your hot shot? Come back to the shot. You're close, man. Close. There's a close?
You put in your teacher?
One. 2. 3. 4.
3. 4.
5.
5.
6.
6. 7.
7.
8. 9.
8.
10.
9. 10.
11.
11. 12.
12.
13.
14.
14. 15.
15.
16.
16.
17.
17.
18.
18.
19.
19. 20.
20.
21.
21.
22.
22.
23.
So many rocket scores.
24.
24.
24.
The board, so many rocket, the board not rocket body. I make nice too, please.
25.
Nobody.
26.
25.
What about a quad?
Rock squad by
26.
27.
27.
There's one rocker.
There's one rocket.
28. 29.
29.
30.
30.
31. 32.
31.
33.
32.
34.
33.
35. Not quite
One rocket by
36.
36.
37.
37.
38. 39.
38.
40.
39.
41.
40.
There's one rocket, PP. No,
41.
43.
there's one
42.
rocket.
43.
44.
44.
By, you know, I hear the board on one rocket, but I got a closer body.
45.
45.
46.
46.
47.
47. 48.
48.
49.
49. You got it.
50.
That's the 50.
All right, get up here.
That's 50 right there.
Let me tell you. Let me tell you.
Just now.
Are you pass? 50.
We're here with Mr. Ramchan. This is one of the racers. CHOWMEIN man, aka CHOWMEIN man. Sir, what is the view on the race this morning?
It was a tight race, but at the end, CHOWMEIN man on top.
Okay, nice. Any plan of a rematch in the future?
Maybe.
Okay.
But I got different boards. I got lots of boards to race, so I ain't too sure which one we want to challenge with.
Okay. All right. Thanks, sir.
Yeah.
Good morning, everybody. We're here with Mr. Antonio, one of the racers from this morning. Good morning, sir. What's your view on the race this morning?
I think it was a good race.
Okay.
I love to get a rematch.
A rematch.
So because I think both boards ended at the same time.
Okay.
So a rematch would have been nice. That's it. That's basically. But it was a good race.
Okay.
I trust that the commitment did well and the observers.
Okay, sir.
I think it was a fair race.
All right. Thanks, sir.